A term is something that's separated by a plus or a minus. So a term could be like 8, it could be 5x, or 6x squared. Those are terms. A constant is just a number. It's a number without a variable. This is shorthand for without. W with a slash O is the same thing as without. Like terms have the same variable and exponent. Coefficients are numbers before variables. So we're going to look at this expression. This expression has 1, 2, 3, 4 different terms. It has 4 terms. The constant, the number without a variable, is -6. Not all expressions have constants. The like terms are the terms. The like terms are the terms with the same variable and exponent. So this has an x and this has an x. So the like terms are 8x and 4x. And the coefficients are the numbers in front of the variables. So 8 is a coefficient, 3 is a coefficient, and 4 is a coefficient. So let's look at more expressions. The coefficients in this expression is a 3, a -2, and actually there's a 1 right here. So if it's just x, the coefficient is 1 because x is the same thing as 1 times x. And -4 is not a coefficient, that's a constant. The like terms, the ones with the same variables, are -2n and n. The constant is the number, and that's -4. The coefficients in the next one, 6 is not a coefficient, but 2 and 4 are coefficients. The like terms have the s with it, so 2s and 4s. And the constant is the number without the variable, and that's 6. In the last one, the coefficient is -5. And since there's only -5x, there's no like terms. And there's no constant. We can simplify expressions by combining or adding like terms. So we can only add the coefficients together if they're the same term. So a 4y, and actually there's a 1y. 4y's plus 1y's is 5y's. We can combine the next one because they both have b's in it. So a 5b and a -2b is going to be a 3b. Letter C, they both have m's in it. So we can add -3 and -9 and get -12m. Letter D, we can combine. This is always put a 1 in front. 1 minus 4 is -3, plus 6p is 3p. Letter E, we're going to combine our m's there's going to be 6m's, and then we're going to combine our y's, and there's going to be negative y. Or you could write negative 1y, it's still okay. Letter F, we're going to distribute, so it's going to be 3g plus 15 plus 8g. So now we can combine our g's. We have 3g's and 8g's. That's going to be 11g's plus 15. You always write your variables first, then your constants. And you go in alphabetical order. That's why I wrote M before Y. Letter H. We're going to do the distributive property. So it's going to be 5 times 7 minus or plus 5 times negative 3x. That's this part. And then we're going to have a plus 2x at the end. So now I'm going to simplify. 35 minus 15x plus 2x. Now we combine like terms. Negative 15x and 2x is negative 13x. Write your x's first. Plus 35. Since there's nothing in front, there's a positive. And the last one, do the distributive property on the black part, is going to be 6k minus 12. Do the distributive property on the blue part, minus 10k plus 12, because this is two negatives. Now I'm going to combine my k's. So 6 and negative 10 is negative 4k. And then I'm going to add negative 12 and 12, and that's 0. So the answer is negative 4k.